Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are safe and fine. Let us come back to our English class. What we were doing before getting to the class, let me put some questions to you. How do we send the message? How, if you want to communicate to somebody to something, what we were doing? Can you tell me? If we want to communicate to somebody, what we do? We do what we do? We write in the letter. Yes or no? Earlier what they were doing, they were writing in the piece of paper and it will be given in the mouth of the dove, it will carry to the people. But after that what happened? The letters developed writing letter. So we write the letter and we post it in the post box. It will be carried by the people will collect and it will be travelled through the bus or train and it will be reached to the particular post office and they get it. And now after the cell phone comes, what is happening now? Everybody send the messages through the WhatsApp or message it. But whatever may be, still the letter writing is still it is continuing, especially in the business. The appointment is given, the letter writing is never gone away. Though it is developed science and technology, but the letter writings are still it is there, especially in the business and the business and all to communicate the business. We don't write it through the WhatsApp and we send it. Everything should be written in the letter only. So let us learn about the letter writing. Letter writing we learn two letter writing. The letter writing. What is letter writing? Letter writing means it is a messages. The message what I want to communicate to somebody. So what we do? We write it in the piece of paper and we post it. And not only that, it is one kind of art we can say. Letter writing is one kind of art. When we write in the business and all effective letter, when we write good letter, what happens? The business relationship will be developed more and more and our business also will be developing. So here we learn about the two type of letters. One is informal letters and formal letters. Informal formal letters. Two types of letter, informal and formal letters. Informal letter means what? Formality it is to our friends and our relatives to write them. Informal letters we write to our friends, relatives and social to the people. Whereas formal letters is always written to whom? It is written to the business people. We write to the business to maintain the business, to principals we write, to editors we write. We want to publish some articles, we write to the editors, and we want to get leave from the school, we write the letter to the principal and principal, editors and to the government officials we write. So this informal letters is written to our friends, relatives and social people, those whom we know. But in the formal letters is written to the principal, editors and the government officers in order to get something we write. First, we learn about the informal letters. First, we learn about the informal letters. In all kinds of letters, there should be 6 points we have to attach it. There will be 6 points will come to attach in this one. What is that first one? If you see first one, heading. Heading means you have to write the head. 3 things come. 6 things come. What are the things? First one, heading. Second one, greetings or salutation. Salutation or greeting. Third one, content or we say body of the letter. body of the letter. Next one, complementary clause, closing. Fifth one, your signature. Seventh one, superscription on the envelope. On the envelope means the address we write. So before writing letters in formal letters, whatever may be, in all the letters what is happening, there will be 6 points. Will be the first one, heading. Heading means we write the head, we addresses to the head whom we are writing. It may be our address, your house address where you are staying. Next, salutation. And salutation means it is to whom we are in the, here itself, heading itself we have write our street name and our place name and the date also we have write. Here in salutation what we write salutation means, greeting means it may be a dear madam or dear father or whoever may be. Next, salutation means the content what we want to write, it has to be written in the paragraph. What I want to communicate, what I want to tell them, that message has to be called as a content or body of the letter. Next, complementary means we have to close the letters. Next, signature should be there. Our signature should be there. And last, superscription on the envelope. We have to write both two address from we have to write the two address plus from address to whom we are writing, and the same there we also write from where we are writing from, our address we have to write. So once again there these 6 points should be there for the letters. First one, the heading. Heading means your street name, place name, date, everything. Next, salutation means dear madam, dear sir, our respected teacher we have to write. Third one, content of the body of the letter means there we have to write about the this one, what we want to communicate, that should be thus written. Fourth one, complementary clause. So closing should be there always. Finally we close it, yes or no, thank you or something. Next, your signature should be there. Last we have to write in the envelope two address plus from address should be there. So now let us learn about one. We can learn one letter about that one. Now for example, heading. You may be understanding what is heading. Heading, what it comes. For example, I write to you Kundapura street. So Kundapura south or north, whatever maybe. Like that we have write your address already. Then date. The date what you are writing today. If you are writing today, what is it? 19/9/21. Like that we have write. This is the heading of the letter. Heading. Next, salutation. Dear madam. Dear madam. Sir, we have to write. Next, content, what you want to communicate to that one. So one by one we learn in one of the letters. So all these things should be compulsory for the letters, must be, should be there. And always the letter writing. Always what happened, the letter writing always start in everything begins from the left. For us, which is the left, this side always it starts from this margin, not from this side. We always start from this side, left side. If I am standing, this is the right side for me, this is the left side for me. So every letter should be begin from the hand of the left side of the space. And for example, I will write and show you one letter for you, okay? So that you will understand what is a content, what is a letter writing, what is a signature, everything will come to know. Yes. For example, I will write one letter for you. You are writing, your name is Vinaya or something. You are writing letter to your friend Radha, telling her about that she is undergoing, she is so much addicted for the drugs. She is taking so much of drugs in order to study. in order to study. She is preparing for NEET exam. She is unable to pay so much time. She is unable to sit and study. So what she is doing, she is taking so much of drugs in order to study her subject. So we are advising to her not to use that one. Such a letter we will write. So, writing a letter to your friend Radha, telling her about the harms of the drug abuse. We have to tell the what are the use, advising her not to take the drugs, because why? If she takes drugs, what will happen? Something will happen. Our life will be spoiled. So that is the reason we are advising. You are going to advise your friend or somebody who you are maybe writing one letter. So first, what we have to do? We have to write the what I said. Heading of the letter. Heading means it is containing the writer's number, address, date we have to keep. So for example, I write address. First one I get address heading. Heading what it comes? Tundi Rajendra Nagar, Rajaji Nagar. Rajaji Nagar. Or Rajendra Nagar, water maybe Rajaji or Rajavit. 16th ward, okay, 16th street. Unnapara. Then you write the date. Today's date. Today what is date? 19/9/2021. So this is the heading of the letter we say. So what is our address is there? Suppose we are 16th ward, 16th street, Punnapara, Alappuzha, and date today. This is the heading. 6 points we are supposed to get it. First one is this one. Heading. This is a heading. Next we have to write about the salutation. Salutation means you have to write dear madam or something. Suppose you are writing to your friend. Second one, this is comes under the first one. Second one you have to write dear Radha. You are writing to your friend name is dear Radha. This is what we say, salutation. What is that? Salutation. You are greeting, you are calling your friend dear Radha. You are calling that one. Next, what is the third one? I said content of body. Content means what we want to communicate to her. So shall I rub this one? Content, what you want to communicate to her. That is the third point. The third point comes. I write to you, I hope this letter finds you in good health. Yesterday, I met your mother. Yesterday I met your mother in the market. Yesterday I met your mother in the market. And came to know about the drug abuse. I want to tell you about about dangers of consuming. Dangers of consuming drugs without doctors, without doctor's prescription. It may bring the desired results. The desired results initially. Initially means in beginning. Initially, but will lead to serious consequences. Serious consequences. So like that we are writing. So this is the third body of the letter you are writing. I hope this letter brings you fine. You are keeping good well. I met yesterday a mother in the market. I came to know that you are taking up drugs in order to study. But I tell you, it may be in beginning without a doctor's prescription, it is not at all good to take. In beginning you may get the result, but later how it will affect you like that. So you are writing, and it will affect your future. She told me that you take drugs to keep sleep away. You may be, since your mother told me that you are taking these drugs, due to that it is not giving you sleep but badly. But when you are medical, in order to write your entrance exam, medical entrance exam, you are taking drugs, it is not giving you sleep to prepare for your exam. But at the same time, work hard for it and take it proper. At the same time, you have to, without drugs, you have to work hard and pray, take proper food and diet, so that you may be able to write well. Otherwise, what happens in the future, your health will be spoiled. Like that, you have to write letter to your friend. Just in order to show you, I am giving you this much content. What is the content of the letter, body of the letter? Then I will give you the full letters in the, I will send to the notes. In the notes I will send you this letter. So that is what is the third, what is the third point? Content of the letter, or we call them as the body of the letter. First one is a heading, second one is a salutation, third is a content of the letter. Now what is the fourth one? What is the fourth one? Fourth one, what is it? Complimentary close. We have to close your lovingly or your faithfully. You have to close that. You have to close it. Your lovingly. Lovingly. All should come in a left side. In informal letters, everything should come in a left side. Next, what is that? Your signature. Suppose here Vivek. You have to write your signature. Next, what is that? You have to write the two address to whom you are writing. Radha. Vadikal. Naprasava. Okay, this one you have to write to her, and from address also you have to write. From address you have to write your address from where you are writing. You have to write here. From address also you have to write where you are writing. Already you wrote from Kundapura South and Kundapura Road, Alapula, and you wrote that one. Same thing you have to write in the envelope letter. Envelope letter you have to write both both this one you have to write the name of the writer and the sender. You have to write the name of who is writing, you are writing, and the sender who is writing, that you have to, so whom you are sending. You are writing, and to whom you are sending to Radha. This both should be there. So once again let me explain to you. There are two types of letters, that is one is informal letters and the formal letters. In informal letters always it begins with the A. We have to write everything should be left side, and there are 6 points should be there. And informal letters to whom we write to the our friends, our relatives and our friends, our parents, like that only we write. But the formal letters to whom we write, it is write to the business editors in the newspapers, also writing, putting the article in the newspaper, to the principal we write in order to get the permission of letter. So in informal letters, we write to our friends, relatives and our society whom we know, the people. Next, and there are 6 points to be remembered in the informal letters. First one is a, what I said it is the heading. You write your address and date. Second one, salutation of the letter to you, to dear Radha, to whomever may be dear. Third one is you write the content, what you want to tell them. And fourth one, you have to close it, thanking you, yes, yours, loving you, have to close it. And fifth one you should sign. And sixth one you write the two address to whom you are writing, and plus sender who is sending and you are sending. So that also should be, your name also should be written there. So these are the things, 6 points should be remembered in the informal letters. If you remember all these points, whatever letter we give, you will be able to write off here one. So 6 points compulsory, you have to remember it. And always it begins with the left side, not the right side. We have to begin with the left side. All these address and things would come from the left side. I hope you might have understood this lesson, letter writing. In next class we learn about the formal letters.